Oh my god, Puppet is big. Well, let me,
What? Oh, ow.
let me turn Puppet down to where there you go. There's a tiny Puppet now.
Can you
This
send
is
me
Puppet's
a link
actual
to
size.
that? I forgot the link to that site.
Here you go. Here's Puppet's actual canon size.
Oh,
You know,
I
the
am
size
a
of a
cannon.
puppet. When she sits on one of the bar stools, she basically has to, like, climb it up like a mountain.
I love it, small.
She's about 3 foot tall.
I don't know what 3 foot is. I'm European.
I like that. That you're just like a tiny puppet, and you're just sitting on your desk with your legs crossed and just mashing keys. Not even full-size person. No, you're just a tiny little puppet, the size of
Oh,
like a stuffed teddy bear.
That sounds cute.
That is really cute, actually. You have a tiny little USB keyboard. You're just using that. I never realized he had a sexy lady tattoo, like, painted on his armor, Tychus.
It's a pinup.
I know what a pinup is. But I never, well, I guess the sprite was never there, but I never remember that being, like, in the cutscenes.
I don't remember. I think it probably was.
I guess I never saw it.
Yeah, I focus on his eyes.
On his beautiful eyes of fucking traitorous bastard.
He's a traitor eyes.
Tychus' ability, shoot his best friend in the back and then fucking die.
How does this game work again?
I don't know. Let's discover that together. Okay, I think I have a thing here. I want VTubers to just take out, like, how much is it for a fucking...
Toxic nests ready.
If I had the money, I would just pull up, like, attack ads for you and other people.
What do you mean? What attack ads?
Like political attack ads, like they do in the
Oh.
States. It's like, Leona Puppet
Did you
mistreats
know
her
that-
viewers.
That mother will
Yeah, whatever.
evil.
This is my real name. Oh no!
They're supposed to be like enemies at some point.
I think so. I thought I'd at least put it on normal. Enemies? Hello? Well, okay. I guess I'll just take this opportunity to build. Not much else I can do. I mean, okay. Well, I'll just take this opportunity to build shit.
Train.
Oh, there we go!
Main objective.
Game was like, huh?
Objective.
Oh, right, there's supposed to be enemies in this game. Fuck.
The game woke up.
Intercept.
Good
Game was like,
morning.
oh god. I'm supposed to do things, I forgot. Fucking, here you go, here's a train. Thank you, video game. Alright. Roaches, prepare! Yeah, I've been playing a few RTSs, but it's good to be back to an RTS that's, like, modern and doesn't, like,
Toxic nests
suck.
ready. Deploy.
Because RTSs before Starcraft 2 came out, kind of sucks.
Oh yeah.
Because guess what?
Under attack.
This is a lot with 25 health.
For experimentation.
No, imagine an RTS with basically no keyboard shortcuts at all.
My pizza is getting delivered as we speak.
Oh, good.
Live updates. Wow.
How we have come far in technology. We now get live updates on our pizzas.
Yes. What would I do without it?
Let's just go show this to a medieval peasant and just blow his brains out. It's like, what the fuck is this devil magic you're
I don't
doing?
think a medieval person knows what a pizza even is.
I mean, maybe if they're in Italy.
Trains on that bottom track.
Italian
are faster
peasants
than the
only
others.
eat pizza.
You can try and stop them.
I mean, I don't know what the fuck they ate in medieval times. When was pizza
Probably not
created?
pizza. New York?
The main objective has
No.
been destroyed.
I don't think it was created. I think it was made in Italy.
How do you know?
And then imported in New York as Italian immigrants arrived.
That sounds wrong. No. That's not. That can't
I mean,
be.
why do you think they have Columbus
Then-
Day? It's because Italian people were like, hey, look at this guy. He's Italian. He's Italian, and he discovered America. Isn't that cool? And everyone was like, yeah, that's pretty cool. And then America slowly discovered that, hey, didn't this guy like kill a bunch of fucking Native Americans? And everyone was like, no, you haven't. He didn't do that.
Other guy, different Columbus.
Different guy. Different Columbus. No, I'm pretty sure it's the same guy. No, you have it wrong. Shut up. Here, look, we brought this pizza thing. Ooh, this looks cool.
Pizza, I'll be right back.
Complete.
Oh, pizza time.
Attack.
There's a small guy in my base. I'll give it a... Oh my god! Oh, never mind, that's not a small guy. What the fuck? What the fuck is this, master?
I may have lied.
You lied! Yeah, no shit, I can fucking see that now. Oh my... Oh, that is a big boy over there. There's a big boy. Oh, never mind, he
a big
did.
shoot. I have a big shoot.
No one
Big
pisses
shooty gun
us
gun.
off.
Another contract fulfilled. You got
Woohoo!
my thanks, commanders, but
Nice.
not my cut.
You wanna try Dragon Ball Z again?
No.
Let's do Dragon Ball Z. No, I'm kidding. I
It
never
was-
wanted
it was-
to try. It was!
It was just,
Yeah, it was
well,
weird.
it was just grinding.
Yeah, it was literally just grinding. It wasn't that fun. I don't know why it's still that fucking popular.
I don't know.
Brutal
Oh,
mutation. I tried it with a
brutal.
friend. And yeah, it's
We
kind
played
of...
it on normal and it was easy.
Yeah. You want to try it on hard?
I mean, I can. I don't know if you can, to be honest.
We're
Mean.
gonna see. I mean,
I
I
mean.
have level 14 fucking
Yeah,
Abathur,
sure, we
so-
can do it.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's go. Threat next. Oh, fucking hell. What the fuck is going on over... No, my extractor, you bastards!
Third evolution.
Thank you for
You
helping.
don't need that one.
Yes, I do need
You
that
have
one.
extra extractors in you. Oh, you didn't even clear the rocks. Never mind.
Complete.
I've been busy trying to defend my base.
Well, that's a spaceship.
That is
Oh,
in
that's
fact
multiple.
Yeah, that is in
Yeah,
fact
that-
multiple
use
giant
spaceships.
fucking
Our
spaceships.
allies are in combat.
If you could help, that would be very nice.
I'm killing my train.
Enemy attack.
My train has
Killed my
already been
train.
killed for the past 15 minutes. There we go.
Defenses.
What do you mean?
Looks like
It's
we're
not-
making good
it's not
progress.
that.
We've knocked over
What?
roughly half
I
the
thought I
ship.
fucking destroyed it. Oh, fucking hell.
I'm gonna kill the train real
A
quick.
main objective
Please go. I
has
was
nearly
fighting a
escaped.
fucking giant spaceship.
Combat.
Thank God I'm fucking
Our
fast.
forces
You
have
left
met
me with
our
140 health.
allies are in combat.
Evolving.
Oh, that is not the time.
Uh-oh.
Our
Jesus
allies are in
Christ.
combat.
Okay, hard is a bit too much, I think.
I got the second train. Pizza time.
Oh my god.
Our allies
Oh, that's.
base
Oh my god,
is
the attack
threatened.
speed from the tank. What the fuck?
Yeah, they get fucking faster too for some goddamn reason.
Our
Did you
forces
just
are high
say it's
under
pizza
attack.
time and then but oh
Our
my god, all
allies'
this time.
base is threatened.
Fucking give me as many goddamn queens as
I reckon they're
possible.
running out of hardware to ship. Almost got them, commanders.
What do you mean almost got him? They're fucking kicking our ass.
You into the merc business?
Nice. Ooh.
Now let's not play this umbrella.
Let's not play this on. Let's
Let's
go do the
not.
campaigns instead. Okay. Okay, so here's the fun thing. I don't know if you played the. No, you didn't play the Zerg campaign with me. I played it with Demon, but the Zerg campaign.
I didn't. Yes.
The Zerg campaign. Instead of 3 mutations, you have instead of 2 mutations, you have 3. The third
Alright.
mutation is brand new.
Just give Brutal a try. I don't. We
Mm,
struggled a lot on hard.
mm, no, I'm not doing it. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. You had. Well, yeah. I was gonna say if you have it installed. Yeah, you do. You played it on stream. I watched you play it on stream. Hold on. HOTS co-op.
Have what installed?
HOTS. part of the swarm.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant Heroes of the Storm. I was like, oh.
Heroes of the Storm. Oh my god, it is the same fucking...
I haven't heard that name in years.
It's been 83 years since they updated that fucking game. Now it's all about the Overwatch 2. Wait, is it? Okay, it's in campaigns? Oh. Oh yeah, okay. Let's go on. Nope. Hold on, give me a second. God damn it.
Mm-hmm.
What? I thought it was an arcade. Oh, there it is, okay. Okay, so we're gonna skip the first one. Well, actually, do you want to play the first one, which is just like a tutorial?
No,
Or
it's
do you want to go directly to 2?
Let's go stuff.
Okay. I'm gonna go to 2. Okay, so basically the first mission is literally just... Well, you remember the first mission, right? Kerrigan
Yeah.
just goes nuts. Hey, look at that! There's you!
Yo, it's my favorite character.
Find Kerrigan.
Bravo team, acknowledge.
Oh my god. How the fuck did that fucking sniper rifle penetrate that amount of fucking armor?
It's Sarah. He used snipe.
Yeah.
It's an authority in the game.
Yeah, you snipe about 5 fucking times in a row.
Quick fire.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, those guys. Ooh, they're not. Oh my god. Oh, Kerrigan fucked them up good. Jesus. Okay, so here, of course, we have Jim, Sarah, and of course, the most important character in Starcraft.
Up the Marine.
No, it's not just any Marine. It's
It's the
Sergeant!
Wow.
It's Sergeant. Let's go, Sergeant.
Back in the saddle. Let's move out.
Oh, he said the name of the mission.
Covering ground.
Wow.
On the same.
Ow.
Sweeping.
I guess my units
fuck.
just died.
Yep,
Have
give me
fun.
a second.
Damage
I will
here.
deal with it.
Say again.
I don't think you're dealing with it.
Oh fuck, never mind, I'm not. Well, give me a second here. Oh god damn it.
Pay me enough for this.
Oh.
Kerrigan! Oh no.
Well,
Damn
that was
it.
the first mission we just lost.
Yeah. The medics
Kill
are
the
just
medics,
like,
they
fuck
can't
this,
fight back."
run! Kill them all. They worked for Manx, they're part of the problem.
Same page.
Kill them.
We made it. The tram is about to leave.
Let's go!
Covering
Wait, oh, I
ground.
can't get on the tram.
Jim,
Ooh.
we're in full retreat.
You
I'm en route to
best
the
hell,
Hyperion.
it's about time type.
Roger that, Valerian.
It's my turn to play with Sergeant Toys.
Covering ground.
I didn't sign up for this.
Yeah, you did.
What is it?
Come on, Sergeant, you can do it. You have your fucking shotgun, let's go.
Heading out.
Okay, now don't die. Well,
Heading out.
I just fucking tell that myself. Oh shit, I didn't know they had fucking tanks.
Arcade
Oh, they have
in
more
position.
tanks.
I've got the shuttle bay secured. All Dominion forces, push forward.
Okay, it's basically like a big Viking.
Jim, the Archangel is
Oh fucking hell, come on!
Just don't get hit.
right.
Ah!
Sweeping.
God damn it!
Oh no, I clicked on the... I misclicked.
Oh Jesus Christ!
On the same page.
Give me the thing.
Pushing
Fuck!
ahead.
Run!
On the same.
Oh, that doesn't kill the Marines, that's why I died. Oh.
I gotcha.
Okay, nope.
Heading out.
Nope. No, I need to get out. Okay, here you go.
Covering ground.
Yeah, that's when you use your brigades for these sections.
Yes.
Sergeant needs to stay alive.
To be done.
Come on!
Pushing ahead.
Oh, you have a Marine!
Yo,
Look.
Work to be done.
more Marines.
There you go.
Oh my god.
Up for this.
Right.
It just spawned tanks that killed me.
Taking a lot of damage here.
Uh-oh.
It just,
Oh,
it
for
just
God's
spawned
sake,
tanks and
fuck
shot me and I
off.
died.
Oh!
Pushing ahead.
It's very confused. Yeah!
Work to be done.
Okay,
You look at that.
Right.
Yay, it's dead
It
finally.
doesn't take away half my health when it lands, and it doesn't spawn teaching, and
Oh,
suddenly I
great!
don't get one shot.
Oh, yay,
Think
this is
another wave is
good.
incoming.
Oh,
Sarah, I'm cut off. I can't get to your location.
Damn,
oh
I should
no, he's
go.
cut off.
And go.
Thank God the boss is the last
We
fucking
just
part
found
of
Jen
it.
Again. I am not leaving you
Oh
behind.
yeah.
Want. I'm going to find Jim.
And I'm gonna fucking
Yeah, she's
uncover
stupid.
most of the rest of the plot while I go do that. I love how it's like, I need to find Jim, and then it's just like, I need to fucking rebuild the entirety of the Zerg Hive to help me find my boyfriend. And then it's like, oh shit, the plot!
Literally becomes a Zerg again.
Yeah, she becomes a Zerg again.
Yeah, there must be an old hive here. I'm more worried about the Dominion.
Oh my god, I have 300 fucking units. The fucking... Oh my god, this is nothing. The fucking oh my god, that's horrifying. It's like ants. It's like a bunch of fucking vicious ants. Ants.
Same page.
And then,
Ants. Ant-Man!
Lee Terrence, Kelly and
them all.
Tara.
No.
Who's the green guy? What the fuck?
I don't... Oh, right.
What is
well,
that?
I
No,
don't
what
know
is
what is
that?
that, but I know that he's another hero in the campaign.
Queen?
Jesus Christ.
I was slipping back into something that
It has no eyes but 3
I
mouths.
have to get out of here.
Yep.
That's
Yeah,
scary.
she's just like, nah, I need to get the fuck out of here before shit goes bad. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.